Okay, here's what we're doing today. We're gonna do pineapple peel. Yes, you heard that right. The peel, not the fruit, yeah, and the core. That's two fibers to eat. A lot of nutrition still in that. And that little case is from one pineapple, and you can get about 10 ounces of juice out of that. So it's a lot of, it's a way to not waste it, right? And we're gonna have cucumber, lime, ginger, and celery. So I had made some carrot, orange, ginger, apple juice this morning, and now it's about 2:30, and I want to us to have another batch. And I know people, a lot of people work and that sort of thing, and you can do some of this ahead of time, and it will last all day. It's still good for a whole day with the cold press juicer, even 2 days. But I personally found by day three, it's not that great. So I know a lot of people online are saying they're juicing for the week, and that I guess if that's the only way you can make it work, figure out how you can store it so it stays fresher longer. If you make sure the container is airtight, and that helps usually. And I believe freezing may help as well, but I juice once or twice a day for just the day.